Hello viewers, I am Deepti. I am ready with the part 2 of Economics Class 10 Predicted Questions video. So starting straightway with the important questions for your ICSE paper. Discuss the role of commercial banks in credit creation. Next question, explain the different ways commercial banks give loans and advances to people. Next question, why are the banks required to keep only a fraction of deposits as cash reserves? Next, explain the money creation process by the commercial banks with the help of an example. Next question, difference between recurring and fixed deposits. Next is, what do you mean by derivative deposits? Next is, difference between commercial and central bank. Next is, what is meant by demonetization? Next question, define public finance. Explain how taxation can be used to reduce inequalities of income and wealth. Explain the concept of GST is our next question. Difference between tax and subsidy is next one. GST will lead to better compliance. Explain this statement. Next is difference between direct and indirect tax. Next is what is meaning of public expenditure. Difference between capital and revenue expenditure. Next question, explain 3 reasons for the increase in public expenditure. Next is explain 4 types of public debt. Next question, name 2 sources of external debt for India. Next is define creeping inflation. Why is it considered good for an economy? Next is explain 2 causes for cost push and 2 causes for demand pull inflation. Next is explain the effect of inflation on. First part is fixed income group, second is investors, third is farmers, and next is creditors and debtors. Next question, explain 2 causes of consumer exploitation. Next is state any 2 features of COPRA, COPRA, and explain it. Next is state and explain the consumer rights. Next is what is food adulteration. Last is mention any 2 duties of a consumer. According to me, these are the most important questions covering whole of your economics ICSE class 10. So at least you should learn or understand these questions for your paper. Thank you for watching till the end. Keep watching, sharing and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to view the part 1 of this video also.